changing oil for the Mercedes-Benz SLK oil change. Just put that thing like that. Jack it up. Jack it up. Oil and here is the dipstick for 2007 SLK280 Mercedes-Benz 3.0. Just check the oil like that, pull it like that, and then that's it. That's where you can find your dipstick. That's it. All done?
Yeah.
So it's the oil then.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit, look at that. Look at that. It's like a fountain. Is it the oil already, right? It's not the transmission?
Yeah, that's the oil.
Holy crap.
Now I gotta stick my hand in it to get that plug out.
I'll stick it in for you. How many minutes? 20? Whoa, that's really dirty. Oh my god. Dirty oil.
Hey, can you give me a rag, Mom?
Replace all rings. Oh, ring. Trouble. It's a broken ring. Look. You like that?
What the fuck?
You didn't check it. Oh, use the old one then. Old one's still good. Just wipe it.
They should be two the same size, Mom.
No, it's only one. And the small one. We don't even need the small one, look. There's a tiny thing.
Don't need that one. Need two of these.
Yeah, only one. Oh, I don't know if this will work. Yeah.
No.
We'll wipe it. Ah, it's still good. Holy.
Yeah, but they're a motherfucker to get back on there.
They trick you.
Okay, I didn't fucking ruin them, huh?
How you open it? You didn't see it. I just saw what the heck. We'll save that. It's still good.
Well, there it is.
Oh, it's done. Put the plug back. Then I put the plug back. You don't put sealant there, did you? Sealant?
Huh?
No sealant?
No.
Oh.
Where is the wrench I used?
Done. Oh, you need a distractor. You need a.
Let me get a wrench. Let me let it down first.
Oil filter is right there.
Let me see. See if there's a rod.